because they're morons. But yeah, moving over to the bigger Matco toolbox. Got these long snap-on screwdrivers. And like I was saying again, I don't like the grips on these half as much as I do the Matco ones. They don't have that textured grip on them. Got those in flathead and Phillips. And then we got my pry bars, Matco pry bars over here. Got 3 of them. And then got this out of a Jeep. It's to take off the hard top. Yeah, they put the kit in the brand new cars just to take off the hard top, which is really cool. That was an extra one in a car that I did. Honey roasted peanuts, just because I love those. And bigger miscellaneous sockets. I just actually picked this up yesterday. 1/2 inch Matco breaker bar, or not Matco, snap-on breaker bar. This thing's originally, I think, 220 bucks. Got it for 140. Not a bad deal at all. It's actually a really good deal. I picked that up yesterday. My GoPro, back brace, my hand towel. And then this is the bag that came with that 3/8 snap-on cordless ratchet. Love this thing. You can actually carry a lot of tools in there. And then moving on down, we have all my wrenches. We have the Blue Point stubby angled reversible ratchet wrenches in standard and metric from 10 to 19, and standard from 5/16 to 3/4. And then we have just my basic wrenches, mostly Craftsman. There's some Task Force ones on there. I don't remember where I got those. Then I have the ratcheting flex head gear wrenches for my metric ones. And then I also have the fixed gear wrench, the bigger size ones. I don't have that full set yet. I'm waiting for Cornwell to give me the rest of them because he didn't have the rest of those on his truck. So waiting for those. And I got these cool snap-on organizers that came with the socket tray and that other organizer tray that I had down below. And then got my power probe right here. Great for diagnosing fans that aren't working, window motors, all that good stuff. Stethoscope, test light, nut drivers, Allen keys. Got my micrometer right here, Matco micrometer. I think that ran me like 70 bucks on the Matco truck. And here we got brake tools, impact screwdriver in here. This is I got this yesterday also, the belt removal tool. Haven't used it yet. And then over here we have the T-handled Allen key set by Snap-on. It was really nice. Long trim tool removal tools from Harbor Freight. And down here, got my tap and die set, 5-piece magnetic service set. Right here we have my ratcheting screwdriver, all my die grinders, all my stuff for the die grinders, you know, wire brushes, sanding pads, and my my step drill bits right there. And down here, oh, that's just my receipt drawer. And then down in here, got my first aid kit, my work jacket, and just some boxes, my timing light, which I never use, and then my Matco cooling system pressure tester. Love that thing. It's better than the one that the shop provides, so everyone uses that one. And then course, you can't fix anything without bunch cords, so got those as well. Well, thank you guys for joining me for this video. I appreciate your time, and see y'all next time.